move on to supplier account management, the first objective is again to provide the supplier with access to the principal information relating to their account. So we will show them their account status, the invoice terms agreed for this account, and then also a summary of the commitment from the Syspro company towards the supplier, including the value of goods ordered not received, goods received not invoiced, as well as the outstanding balance. And then also the contact person and contact details, as well as the address that the Syspro company has on file for this account. In order to give the supplier visibility of the transactions entered into between him and the Syspro company, we'll be supporting a number of different links where the supplier will be able to access the detailed information. So first off, if we look at a list of invoices, we'll be able to see the due dates as well as the balance amounts, and then also the detail of payments made on behalf of the supplier. Further information available includes active purchase orders, a listing of goods received, where the supplier will be able to identify where the relevant invoice has not been processed, a list of return to supplier transactions initiated, including their status and quantity, and then also a listing of all registered invoices, credit notes, and debit notes. Lastly, the supplier will be able to access remittance advices for payments processed on behalf of the supplier previously, and you will also be able to download the remittance from here in the same manner as shown for customer statements. Thank you.